I'm going to teach
You are
everyone
funny.
in the
You're
world
funny.
to be funny.
You're funny. Okay, don't take over my show, okay? It is Allie in the Valley, okay? It ain't all about Tyler. No, I'm just joking. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball-Kilmer, and today I have my lovely, very tall, taller than me, 16-year-old son, Tyler Kilmer.
Here. Hi.
And I'm gonna teach him how to make pork chops. So Tyler and I did a video back. What did we do last time?
I don't know. We did some burgers, Beyond Burgers, but now we're going to do pork chop steaks with all these delicious items on here.
Awesome. Okay, so the first things first, what we have to do with the pork chops. I love a good pork chop. They're really, really easy to make, okay?
Yep.
So I'm gonna teach you how to make them. And all we need to do right now is put some salt and pepper on them. Let me do it. Here, I'll show you. I don't want you to over salt them. So let me do the salt, okay?
Okay.
Really quickly. So you don't want to over salt. You're gonna do the other
Or
side
else
though.
it'll taste like salty sea fish.
Exactly.
Or else.
Okay,
but
pepper.
You gotta do the pepper next.
Gently pepper.
Very gently, guys.
Faster.
Or else
Faster.
like that.
There you go.
Like
Faster.
this.
Yes.
A dab of
Yeah.
this.
Yeah. There you go.
A dab of this.
Okay.
A dab of that.
Yeah.
Then this for this fella.
Yeah.
Then the last fellow gets it here.
Okay, good. Now we're gonna turn them over and do the same thing.
This is like pancakes on a stove. Every morning you eat breakfast.
Yep. There you go.
That's the way we
Good. That's good.
This shall do.
Yep. You got this.
That shall do.
Yep. You got it.
That shall do. And then the last two fellows right here. That. And then it snows all over the town. And then we
Okay,
got
good.
it
All right,
here.
so now we have our steaks ready. So our pork chops. So now we have the pork chops, salt and peppered. We're gonna take them and put them on the cast iron with a little olive oil, and we're gonna add garlic and some season and some garlic butter.
Delicious.
And it's really as simple as that. It takes about total 10 to 15 minutes to cook really great pork chops on top of the stove. All right.
These delicious pork chops are going to be cooked up, aren't they?
Yeah, they're gonna be good. Okay.
They're going to be amazing.
Hey Tyler, hand me the olive oil.
Okay, I got your olive oil. Mom, don't forget about the garlic.
Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so let's coat the pan.
Coat it up with some good olive oil, eh?
Yes. We're gonna let this get a little hot before we put the meat in, because the whole thing about cooking pork chops and steaks, I think we did steaks too, and burgers, is you gotta have what?
Olive oil to make it delicious.
And high heat. A great piece of meat needs extremely high heat, okay?
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do. And the other thing that's super important, we don't wanna overcrowd the pan. All right, so Tyler, let's see if they're cooked properly on this side. Okay, so I'm gonna show you.
They're gonna be cooked properly, guys.
Yeah, let me see how brown.
The moment of truth. Oh, yes they are. Yes they are.
right.
We did it, didn't we?
Yes, we did. Yeah, now, I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit because it's cooking high. We're gonna add, remember that roasted garlic butter? Don't you love it?
It's gonna be really delicious.
You love it. You use this more than anybody in the house.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put some garlic butter in here. I didn't say this was diet food. I said we're having pork chops. What's your favorite, pork chop, steak, or what's your favorite of the two?
I say steak more, but I love pork chops.
All right, now we're gonna put some thyme and some herbs.
Delicious.
Sage. Smell that. Smells good, huh? It reminds you of what? Thanksgiving. And rosemary too. Look, rosemary. Let's put a smaller rosemary. Sure, there you go.
Some rosemary.
Now we're gonna let these cook, okay? Really high. And then we are gonna take them out after they're cooked. That's good, not yet. We're gonna let these cook, let them sizzle, get really, really well cooked. Then we're gonna take the deglaze out of the pan, and we're gonna deglaze the pan, and then we're gonna put honey, soy sauce, salt and pepper, apple cider, everything else I have over there. Soy sauce is gonna be the glaze that we put on top of it, okay? We're gonna deglaze the pan, and then we're gonna have a sauce, a deglazed sauce that goes on top of the pork chop. Okay, so we'll be back, let them cook. Be back in a minute. All right, Tyler, I'm gonna turn this down because it's so high and it's popping. I wanna take the pork chops off so we can make that deglazed sauce, okay? So these are looking pretty good, right?
Oh, they're looking delicious.
Are you gonna eat what? Yum, right? I am gonna work with, just right now, I'm gonna work with these 3, but we're gonna deglaze the pan. So what I need you to do is I need you to hand me the garlic.
Here you go, the garlic. That's
These are 4 cloves of garlic cut up. Yep, so and then hand me the honey.
We are the honey.
Okay. So I'm gonna do about a tablespoon and a half of honey. So we're gonna do about.
Inside the garlic, so I wonder what that will taste like.
This is gonna be our sauce that goes on top of our pork chops.
Ah, great.
Okay, so that's honey.
Sauce.
That's about a tablespoon and a half. Now, Tyler, let me ask you something. So how long do I have to cook the pork chops on each side? Because I don't know if I said that. How long do you think? Like 5 to 7 minutes, okay? Hand me the soy sauce.
Soy sauce? Coming right up. Catch it if you can.
Thank you, soy sauce. Okay, but a tablespoon and a half, okay? I'm just doing it.
Oh, it's sizzling hard. Look at this. It became a real show, hasn't it?
Okay, now, hand me, no, the apple cider vinegar.
Ah, apple cider vinegar.
Thank you.
Welcome.
About a tablespoon.
Let's see how that makes it happen. Oh, it's sizzling more and more. Look at it. It's sizzling up.
Okay, now, hand me my seasoning right there.
Seasoning right here. Seasoning is coming.
Yes. Can I have a clean spoon, please? I like this. I got a
Another
sous
clean
chef.
spoon. It's registered to come. Hello there.
Thank you. You're really helping me. I like this.
What the camera needs.
You know what? When you get a girlfriend, you don't know how to cook. You don't know how to burn. She's gonna be like, how you know how to cook? How you know how to cook so well? From your mommy, right? All right, so this is how we deglaze the pan. So usually I have a wooden spoon, but I can't, oh, let me get a wooden, let me grab one of these. Okay, we're gonna deglaze the pan now. See this? That's called deglazing the pan. What we're doing is I'm taking all the parts from the pork chops and I'm scraping them up, right? And that's all the yumminess, okay? Let's turn it down a little bit. It's cooking fast. Okay, so we're deglazing the pan. Now, I'm gonna cook these later, but just to show you what I'm doing, I'm gonna add the pork chop back into the sauce, okay? See? Right? And it's gonna get all that yummy juices right here, okay? And we're gonna let them sit in here for a couple minutes and then I'm gonna turn them so both sides get the juice, right? Let's move the herbs. Let's do it again. Yum. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna be my taste test, right?
I'm gonna be your taste tester all the way. Because I love tasting food.
Okay. And now, we can do a little bit more herbs here. Some thyme. I love thyme. That's my favorite.
Time? It's
Yeah.
called time?
It is.
Hope it's not a clock. You don't put a clock in there. So ruin your dinner and then you go, oh,
Okay. Now, guess who gets to do the taste test?
me, just like
Yeah.
okay, so let's do it.
All right, good. All right, let's do it. All right, so the pork chops are done. And it's time for you, Tyler, to do
try
the
them
taste
out.
test. Yes, so let's try it.
Let's try it.
Here, let me cut it for you. So this is kind of, these pork chops are a honey, garlic, herb pork chop. All right, blow, don't burn your mouth.
I don't want fire mouth, just like a fire-breathing dragon.
Is that good?
Tastes like burnt and also salty, delicious meat.
All right, let me taste with the sauce.
Right? That was delicious.
Oh, hot. Oh my God. Let me high five.
Yeah.
Your mama can cook, huh?
You know, I know you all too well.
So, recipe, you know where to find it. AllieInTheValley.com. I'm gonna give you more. AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Honey, garlic, pork chops, super tasty, super easy. What, took us how long to make them? 15, 20 minutes?
20 minutes.
Yep, yum. See you on the next Allie in the Valley.